Last time we learned how to take measurements using images software. What we are going to do in this video, we will learn how to export that data that you have gathered by taking measurements into a CSV file. For that, just go to the results window and click here. Then here you can see the extension is already being given as CSV. You just have to rename your file. And locate for the place where you want to save. Simply going to save it at the desktop. Done. Okay, once you're done, you can see the CSV file is being saved here. Just open it and you can see all of your data is successfully being shifted here. Just look at it.